Companies and research centers came together at the second edition of Next Innovation Road 2026, held at Magazzino 26 in Trieste, to launch a new community connecting the maritime and aerospace sectors.
Is a technology broker for Italy and is an Incubed Ambassador for Italy. So basically what we do is to connect space and non-space organizations to create business opportunity. Space and Blue is indeed one of the topics I'm going to talk about, and I think is in the framework of this event an important area. Space and blue economy, I think, is one of the areas where Italy is a key player. As TAM, we play in a network of other organizations across Europe, so we have also the chance to bring opportunity from here to other countries and vice versa.
I'm the project manager of the European Space Agency Business Incubator Center of Padua, and we are looking to discover startups and small medium enterprise in Italy with a space connection and less than 5 years settled. Oh, the market is growing up really fast. Right now we have 11 startups in our business incubator center, and the range of the startup that we have inside is pretty wide.
I'm the CEO of the Royal Institution of Naval Architects. We represent about 8,500 naval architects, engineers and other maritime professionals around the world. Coming to Trieste today is really important because I really want to build the connections between all of the different parts of the world, all the different parts of the globe, talking about these specialist subjects, make sure that the clusters in Italy are connected with the clusters in America and Australia, etc. And this particular topic is obviously at the very forefront of what's being discussed at the moment.